Welcome to the middle of nowhere.
And at the end of the day, I've got nothing more to say. At the end of my line, there's a clearing in my mind. All of us are feeding, all of us are needing a time. Working for the county, clearing up a bounty. I feel fine. Someone near half the time.
It is really hot. You know that song, Take It Easy by the Eagles, when they say standing on the corner in Winslow, Arizona? I'm standing in the middle of nowhere with nothing around. That's a canola field. We're going to shoot negative space using a canola field as our subject and a blue sky. Let's go see what we can find. It's like Africa. I just love canola fields. They're just absolutely spectacular. Negative space is just that. A bunch of nothing and a single subject. That's what we're going to look for today to try to find. One single subject surrounded by a bunch of negative space. The canola field, blue sky. I came out on purpose not at golden hour because I want that bright, beautiful blue sky and that vibrant yellow of the canola field to balance each other out in the image. Hopefully we'll find a single subject like a tree or a grain bin or a barn, and we'll put that in the subject surrounded by this bunch of negative space. Let's see what we can find. We're rocking a polarizer today. We're going to handheld shoot today. Just because it's so bright, there's no need to put it on a tripod because our shutter speed is going to be so fast. Stick around. So as you can tell, it's really, really bright out. I'm squinting because I'm staring right now directly at the sun. Well, not staring directly at the sun, otherwise I'd go blind. But I'm facing directly at the sun because I want the sun to light up the canola field. The first shot we're going to do is we're just going to shoot the canola field in the blue sky. There is nothing there. It's just going to be yellow, bright yellow, and that vibrant blue mixing together to create just an awesome shot. Let me put you on the camera and I'll show you what we got. When you go out and shoot anything agriculture-wise and you're shooting fields, don't go in the fields. Okay, respect the farming community, respect the farmers. Don't walk into their fields. This is their livelihood. This is how they make their living, all right? So just don't go into the field. The shot is very basic and simple. You can see it on the screen right now. I'm at f5.6, ISO's 100, and I'm gonna put the canola field in the first shot in the bottom third, pop the shot, and then I'm gonna put the canola field in the top third. And you can see the difference by having the horizon on the top and horizon on the bottom. You've got that amazing blue sky, that gorgeous yellow. It's going to be so tasty. That yellow is just magnificent. Like I said, the reason why I put the sun behind my back is I want the sun lighting up all of this beautiful yellow. It is just golden right now. Shot number one, done. We're gonna go to a second location. We're still gonna use this canola field, but don't know if you can tell or not. Yeah, let me look at the screen. There is a clump of trees. We're gonna isolate a single subject, canola field, blue skies. Oh, I love Alberta. And the words will never find. All of us are feeding, all of us are needing a time. Working for the county, filling up a bounty, will feel fine. All right, guys, we are in luck. That's the clump of trees I was just pointing at. I drove over the hill and then saw this. Look at this lonely guy right here. That is going to be our subject. That's our composition. Negative space. We've put the subject into the left third of the frame. I can either put the sky in the top part of the frame, top third of the frame, or I can put the sky in the bottom third of the frame. we'll pop both shots and see what we got. This is gonna be killer.
All of us are needing our time.
One of the things I can do is, I can sweat. One of the things I can do, other than sweat like I ran a marathon, is take my camera, instead of having it in landscape, switch it to portrait mode and do a nice vertical. Just leave a comment down below. Do you like it in landscape or the vertical of portrait mode? All right, that's 2 locations done. Let's get in the Falcon. There's the Falcon. Where's the Falcon? There's the Falcon. Let's get in the Falcon. I'm a Star Wars nerd. What can I say?
All of us are feeding, all of us are needing our time. Working for the county, clearing up a bounty. I feel fine. Someone near half the time.
So I hope you can see this little guy. There's a hawk on a fence post. And he is chirping up a storm right now. Because he's not happy because I'm here. How cool is that?
Needing our time. Working for the county, filling up the bounty. We'll feel fine. Ave Maria, Ave Maria, all of us are feeding, all of us are needing our time. Working for the county, clearing up a bounty. I feel fine. All of us are feeding.
Photographer frustration point I want to share with you all. Let me just spin the camera around here. Okay. All right. Right, let me point to it. Right there is this amazing lone tree. I'm driving down the road. I see it on the horizon. This gorgeous tree, like something out of an old Western movie that Clint Eastwood and The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly would be riding up underneath at sunset. This road here won't take me to it. There's the Falcon. That road there won't take me to it. The highway there that you hear the car on drives past it, but I can't get to it because it's on private property. Oh! I know when I first started this video, I said it's not about golden hour. We're getting at a golden hour now because I've been driving around all evening. But this is tasty. Wait till you see this. Isn't that just a beautiful thing? Driving around, half an hour, finally found a way to get a better angle. That's negative space. Let's set up the camera. I'm right near the highway. The sun is really bright, as you can tell. It's right there. So I am thinking that as we're getting nice golden cascading light coming across the grass in the front, that we'll pop a couple of shots getting the grass, and then I'm going to increase my shutter speed to make the tree a complete silhouette. Let's just play around and see what we can get. This is going to be awesome. There's no clouds, so the sky's not going to light up at all. So I've got to take advantage of this scene when I've got it now. So let's pop this shot. I think it's going to be pretty tasty.
At this point, I did rock out the tripod and a graduated neutral density filter just to bring down the sky a little bit. Just look how things become so tasty when you increase your shutter speed and make everything a silhouette. Oh, love this. One of my favorites.
I'm sweating. I'm done. That's it. Canola field, blue skies, a little bit of trees, negative space. Play around with it. I'm out of here. In the meantime and in between time, I'll catch you next time. That sun is bright. Whew.
as always, destroy that subscribe button, ring that bell. It's greatly appreciated.